main idea is one is sine. Yesterday we learned this one. Sine n pi by 2 plus or minus theta will be equal to its complementary. Sine complementary is cos if n is even. So when n is, sorry, if n is odd, not even. If n is odd. And sine n pi by 2 plus or minus theta is equal to the same sine. So sine will give a cos if n is odd. Sine theta will be equal to same function if n is even. So this is the two things you have to memorize. So whenever they give us some angle, you have to write the given angle as a multiple of pi by 2, multiple of 90, right? Multiple of 90, pi by 2. Then check whether the n is odd or even. If n is odd, you can write the complementary function. The sine, complementary of sine will be cos, complementary of tan will be cot, complementary of sec will be cosec. This also we discussed in the last. Then if n is odd, you can say the complementary, and if n is even, you can tell the same function. Sine is sine, tan means tan, etc. And one more thing, how to check which quadrant it lies. If it is the original function, don't look at the answer, the question. If the question, the function is in the first quadrant, all are positive. If it is in the second quadrant, only sine and cosec positive. Sine and cosec positive, remaining all negative. Third quadrant, tan will be positive. Tan and cot will be positive. And fourth, cos and sec are positive, remaining all negative. Accordingly, you can give the positive or negative for the value. So this is the idea. Let's see these questions that I gave as a homework. I think let us start from the last 10th one. Sine 390. How can I write? As a multiple of pi by 2, I can write 4 pi by 2. 4 pi by 2 is 4 into 90. 4 into 90, 360 plus 30. You can write 5 into 90 also. 5 into 90 minus 60. Both will give the same value. The same question you can do like this also. Sine 5 into 90. So 5 into 90 minus 60. That is also 390. Anyway, you can write either this method or this. If you apply this, n will be even. If you go for this, n will be odd. Both will give the same result. Okay. So suppose I take the first one I take. Suppose if I take 4 pi by 2 plus 30, n is even. N is even. So if n is even, this will give a same function, sine theta. So it will be equal to sine 30. Now look at which quadrant it lies. How do you know that? 4 into 90, this is 0. This is 1 into 90. This is 2 into 90. 182 into 90. This is 3 into 90. This is 4 into 90. 4 pi by 2 means 2 pi. 4 pi by 2 plus means direction is this. So this will be the quadrant. That means this quadrant is the first quadrant. This is the first quadrant. So in the first quadrant, all trigonometry functions are positive. Therefore, this is also positive. Therefore, the answer is plus sine 30. Therefore, the answer is sine 30 equal to 1 by 2. So, answer is 1 by 2. I think it's clear. Now, question number 9. cos 150 degree. So you can write this as either cos 2 into pi by 2 or 90 better. Okay, 90 plus 60, pi by 2 plus 60. That means 1 into pi by 2, 1 into pi by 2 plus 60. I write in that form. 1 pi by 2 plus 60, 1 into pi by 2. So 1 is a odd number. 1 is a odd number. So cos will give a sine. So it will be sine 60. It's complementary, right? Now look at which quadrant it lies. This is 0, this is pi by 2. Plus 60 is in second quadrant. In second quadrant, look at the question only. Don't look at the answer. Question is cos. What about cos in the second quadrant? In second quadrant, cos is negative. Therefore, this answer will be negative sine 60. Therefore, this is equal to minus square root of 3 divided by 2. Okay. Now, 8 to 1. Question number 8. Seek 135 degree. How to write this? Seek 90 plus 45 or 180 minus 90 plus 45. That means 1 into pi by 2 plus 45 degree. 1 into pi by 2. So seek 1 is odd number. You have to tell the complementary of seek. What is a complementary of seek? Cosec. Complementary of seek will be cosec. Cosec 45 degree. Look at the quadrant. So here 90 plus, this is 90 plus 45 means second quadrant. Second quadrant. In second quadrant, what about the question? Question is seek. So seek is negative in the second quadrant. Seek is negative in the second quadrant. Therefore, this is minus. So cosec 45 degree. So sine 45, it will be 1 by root 2, right? Sine 45 will be 1 by root 2. So cosec 45 will be minus square root of 2. So that is the answer for the question. Okay, it's clear? Now, can you tell me what is the answer tan 570? What is the answer? Yes, tell me what is the answer for seventh question. Amman, I will read. Amman, what is the answer for the question number 7?
Sir, Aman is not here.
Amman is not there. Okay. Alan? Alan is there? What is seventh one? This question you need to practice. Otherwise, no, after sometimes you'll forget. Huh?
So the answer is 1 by root 3.
1 by root 3. Okay. So, yeah. How to do this one? Tan 570 will be 6 into 9, right? So 6 into pi by 2 plus 30. 6 into 90 is 540 540 plus 30. Okay, fine. Now 6 is an even number. Therefore, it will give the same function. So it will be equal to tan 30. It is equal to tan 30. Now look at the quadrant. This is 1 into 90, 2 into 90, 3 into 90, 4 into 90, 5 into 90, 6 into 90. So 6 into 90 will be here. Plus means it will be in third quadrant. In the third quadrant, what is tan? Tan is positive in the third quadrant. So it will be tan 30. So it will be equal to 1 upon root 3. Yeah, answer is correct. So tan 30 will be equal to 1 over root 3. So I have given all these 10 questions. Please practice these questions and memorize this one. Say 2-3 times. You just practice so that you will never forget. This is a generalization formula so that you can apply for any angle. Any angle you can apply. No need to memorize this. In the your textbook also it is given like this only. They have given the formula for sine 90 minus theta, sine 90 plus theta. No need to memorize. Just memorize the standard form, generalization form, so that you can do any question. Here only up to 2 pi only given. That means one circle only given. If it is more than one also, you can find if you memorize that generalization formula. Right? Okay. Anything you want to ask from the previous discussion? Any clarification or any doubt? Because yesterday we have discussed some more topic we discussed. So in that one, if you have any confusion or you need some more clarification on any topic or anything, you can ask now. So I hope there is, okay, fine. So just see what are the things we discuss. Maybe this material I will upload. I think it is there or not, I don't know. I'll check it in the Moodle so that you can download and take printout and keep it with you. So we discuss length of the arc, then trigonometric ratios, graph of trigonometric ratios, then sign of this trigonometry function in a different quadrant. This also we discussed. Then the trigonometric ratios for a compound triangle. And okay. Okay, let us do some questions connected with this. Now, we try some based on what we discussed so far. So let us see. Okay, so please do this question. First question. Find the value of sec 480, cosec 570, multiply with a tan 330 into sine 600, cos 660, and cot 405. Just like we have done 10 questions, no? Just find the value of this one by one, put here and check what is the answer you are getting. Send me your answer. Once you get, you can send me the answer. So one of you can tell the answer once you get, because all are around 5 students are there, no? others in online who are there. Ayan is there. Ayan, you can send answer in the chat box. For on behalf of all others, one of you can send me the answer in the chat box. So
Yes, sir. Just wait.
Okay. So that's why this formula is important. Please write this formula: sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is also 1. Okay. Now we will solve this question. You remember yesterday we learned one thing. Say, in order to apply this sin square theta plus cos square theta, there should be some cos theta, no? But there is no cos theta here. But yesterday we learned complementary angle. You remember that? What is sin 90 minus theta? It is equal to cos theta. That's why I told you sin and cos are complementary functions. And I proved also there using one triangle. I proved also sin and cos are complementary. Therefore, can you say sin square 84 in terms of cos? What sin square 84 is same as cos square dash. Sin square 84 is equal to cos square dash. Question is sin 84 degree equal to cos dash. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan Khan. Okay. Yeah, tell me, what is sin 84 equal to dash, cos dash? Yeah, yes, it is equal to cos 6 degree, correct. So sin 84 equal to y, because sin and cos are complementary function, therefore it is equal to cos 6 degree. Sin 84 equal to cos 6 degree. Therefore, sin square 84 equal to cos square 6 degree. Sin square 84 equal to cos square 6 degree. Now you see here, sin square 6 degree and plus cos square 6 degree. I can compare. What you are getting? It is equal to 1. Similarly, what about the previous term? This is 6, 12, 18. That means the difference is 6. The previous term will be 84 minus 6. So it will be 78. So sin square 78. Right? So how can you write sin square 78? Sin square 78 will be equal to cos square dash, cos square 12 degree. That means the second and third one, the second last, you can kind of combine. So that will be equal to 1. Right? So what we are getting? Say that means if you write like this, first 6 degree and last one 84 degree can compare. Then 12 degree and 78 you can combine. 18 degree and again 6 difference means it will be 72. This will continue. And next will be 18 plus 6, 24. This will be 66. 24 plus 6, 30. So this will be 60. Then 30, 36. So this will be 54. So 36 plus 6, 42. So this will be equal to 48. Next will be that's all, right? Next will be 48. This become 48. Already we have. So till now, so when you combine these, you are getting the answer. So this will give a value 1. This is 1. Sine square 6 plus 84 1. 12 plus 78 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So how many ones are there? How many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ones are there. When you are adding, 7 ones are there. Then one more is there. Sine square 90. That is also give 1. So 7 plus 1, 8. So what is the answer? Answer for the question is 8. You understood? Idea is clear or not? No reply? Asta, Shreya, you understood or not? This chapter, please you practice. And simply if you come to the class, it's difficult. Otherwise, I will take the, if I'm not getting proper response, I will take our NCRT book and what all questions there in the textbook will solve and go. I need some response from your side. This is clear or not? Ayan?
Yes, sir.
What about others? Can you open the camera there in BIT? BIT Gala, can you open the camera there? Okay. Where you are sitting, I cannot see anybody there. Okay. Tell me whether this is clear or not. Okay, fine. The last who is sitting there, Shreya and Asta. Okay, fine. Here. Alan is there. Alan is there. Aman is there. Amar and Siddiq. Okay, fine. Tell me this is clear or not, or should I explain? I cannot hear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, third question. It's a direct question. Already we have done one question similar to that. Please do that one and tell me. 18 degree plus 33 minute plus 45 inch. What is the answer? So you have to convert to degree. Everything you have to convert to degree. Then convert to radian. The question is convert degree to radian. That means 1 degree will be equal to 60 minutes. So 1 minute will be equal to 1 by 60 degree. Therefore, 33 minute will be equal to 33 minute will be equal to 33 divided by 60 degree. Right? So, and 45 second will be equal to 45 divided by 60 into 60 degree. Therefore, 18 degree 33 minute 45 second will be equal to 18 plus 33 minute will be 33 divided by 60 plus 45 divided by 6 into 6, 3600 degree. So this is a degree. How to convert to radian? Pi radian equal to 180 degree. Pi radian equal to 180 degree. So 1 degree will be equal to 1 radian will be equal to 1 degree will be equal to pi by 180. So what do you do? How to convert? Simplify, you multiply this with pi by 180. So that is the answer for the question. 33 pi by 320. Okay. Now, fourth question. Fourth question. Fourth question. Solve and tell me. Angles of a triangle are in AP. Arithmetic progression we studied in 10th standard. You know, remember. Least angle is 30 degree. Then the greatest angle is dash. Better one by one come to the near to laptop and explain. I will call. Asta, can you come to the front and open the camera? Asta is there?
Sir, she did not understand.
Which one? This question. Fourth question.
Sir, the fourth question, yes.
Angle of a triangle are in AP. There is this is not a new topic, new thing. This is already you have the basic in the lower classes. Angle of a triangle. That means this angle, you can say this is A, this is B, this is C. Angle of a triangle means A plus B plus C will be equal to 180 degree. This is one thing. If they are in AP means what is the meaning? Three terms are in AP. How can you take? First term you can take as A minus D. Second you can take A plus D. You remember? You studied in 10th standard. Three consecutive terms in AP. Either you can take A minus D, A. Arithmetic progression means either you can take A plus D, A plus 2D. They are in AP. What is the arithmetic progression? The difference between two consecutive terms, the difference between the consecutive term is D, is same, it's a constant, then we say it is arithmetic progression. 3, 5, 7, they are in arithmetic progression because their difference is same. 1, 4, 7. It is in arithmetic progression. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 3, 7. They are in arithmetic progression, right? So what do? You can take a minus d, a plus d. They are in arithmetic progression. They are in arithmetic progression. So how can you write? Their sum will be a minus d plus a plus d. This is equal to 180 degree because the sum will be 180 degree. So what is the least one? So when you add all this d and d, this will be 3a. 3a will be equal to 60 degree. When you add, you can cancel. D will be 3. So a will be equal to d and d will get cancelled. So 3a will be equal to 180 degree. So a will be equal to 60 degree. A will be equal to 60 degree. So the middle you got a 60 degree. Then you have to find what is the greatest angle there.
Sir,
Ah,
Sir, Asta is asking how did pi come?
eh?
Sir, in the answer, how did pi come? How did pi by 2 come?
They are asking for a greatest angle. So I have taken a minus d, a and a plus d, and a as 60 I got. So least angle is given. Smallest angle is, this will be the smallest angle. Anyway, a minus d will be the smallest angle. So this will be 30. So they are in AP, no? 30, 60. So what is the next one? The difference is 30. So it will be 90. So 30, 60, 90 are the angles. So what is the greatest one? Greatest one is 90.
Sir, she's asking how did 90 from 90 pi by 2, how did the answer come to that?
For the first part, we explain what is the relation between degree and radian. 90 degree is same as pi by 2 radian. The angle can be measured in two ways. Degree measure or radian measure. Sometimes the answer will be given in degree measure. Sometimes answer will be given in a radian measure. 90 degree is equivalent to pi by 2 radian. Don't take pi by 2 as 3.14 by 2. 90 degree is equal to pi by 2 radian. You forgot that point? This is our first part we explain. See here, still it is there. I didn't see. I hope you can see this one. The first thing we started was how to measure a degree, angle. There are two methods to measure the angle. One is called a degree measure and another one is called a radian measure. One is called a degree measure and another one is a radian measure. Then there is a relation between degree and a radian. What is the relation? Pi radian equal to 180 degree. Pi radian equal to 180 degree. So what about pi by 2 radian? Pi by 2 radian will be equal to 90 degree. Pi by 2 radian equal to 90 degree. Pi by 3 radian will be equal to 60 degree. Pi by 6 will be equal to 30 degree. Pi by 4 equal to 45 degree. So one is a radian measure, another one is a degree measure. Here in this question, answer is given in radian measure. That's why it is given as a pi by 2. That means pi by 2 is equivalent to pi by 2 is same as 90 degree. Pi
Sir,
by 2 is
it's in the notes in Moodle, right?
yeah, this note is in the model. Any other question? So I will not start the new topic till I get a response from your side. You have to read this material from beginning to end, and you tell me what are the doubt there. Otherwise, if the basic is not clear, then I cannot proceed further. And this note is above average, not only I have giving you.
Yes, sir.
Clear now?
Everyone. Yes. Yes, yes.
Sir, everyone is telling that it's clear.
Okay, fine. Now, next one. Okay, question number 5. Can we move to the question number 5? A wheel makes 30 revolutions per minute. Find the circular measure of angle described by a spoke in half second. Here also we have to find circular measure of the angle. That means we have to find the angle. But that angle is given in radian measure only, not in degree. Please do this question. One questions we have done similar type. You remember speed. I'll show you that question similar to that. In the example, we have done that question. See this one. Sample problem 3. A wheel of a railway carriage is 4 feet in diameter and makes 6 revolutions in a second. Then find the speed of the train. The same idea. Wheel means it is a circular shape, and the circumference or perimeter will be 2 pi r. Perimeter will be 2 pi r. Okay. What is the answer for this question? BAT Gala answered. Okay. A. All these questions explanation should be there in your notebook, right? Okay. So how to do? 30 revolutions per minute. That means 1 minute, 30 revolution. So we need half second. So that means 60 second, you have a 30 revolution. That means in 1 second, 30 divided by 60 revolution. That means in 1 second, you have 1 by 2 revolution. Right? Therefore, but I need a half second. So half second, how many revolution will be there? Divided by 2. There will be 1 by 4 revolution. 1 by 4th revolution. Total is, this is a circle. Total revolution is 2 pi. 2 pi, if radius is 1, 2 pi is the total revolution. So 1/4 means how much revolution? 1/4 means this revolution. How many will be there? 2 pi divided by 4. That means this will be equal to pi by 2. That means 90 degree. So 1 second, how many revolution? 1 by 2 revolution. Therefore, half second, how many revolution? 1 by 2 divided by 2, 1 by 4 revolution. So when it makes a 1 by 4 revolution, how much angle will be there? 90 degree. This is 90 degree. This is a 1/4 revolution. Total is 2 pi. This is a 1/4. In 1/4 means it will be 90 degree or it will be pi by 2. Clear or not? Students?
Clear, sir.
Okay, fine. Question number 6.
Sir,
Ah.
could we get 5 minutes break?
Eh?
Can we get a 5 minutes break, sir, please, sir?
Okay. So
Thank
I
you,
think
sir.
now class till 11 o'clock only. Till what time? 9:30. Now 10:30. Okay.
Sir, we have another 1 more hour left, sir.
Okay, fine. Let's have a 5 minutes break. Then can come back.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
0 is 0.
Yeah, exactly. That's also a logical question. Otherwise, we cannot do. So cos 90, we know that it is equal to 0. This idea. Cos 90. So cos 1 degree, cos 2 degree, that will give us some value between minus 1 and plus 1. Right? And you know that 1 degree, 2 degree means 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree here only. But the value will be between 0 and 1. Right? And 100 degree means it will come some value. So some value will be positive, some value will be negative. And it will be lies between minus 1 and 1. But there is cos 90 also will be there. Cos 90 value will be 0. So whatever be the value of 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, when you multiply by 0, the value will be equal to 0. So this is also a logical question, just like our second question. Sin square 6 degree, 12 degree, etc. Here also we are not finding directly the angle. Instead, we use the identity to solve the question. Okay. So question number 6, the answer is equal to this. Which of the following statement is correct? Which of the following statement is correct? Okay. One is sine 1 degree and 1. So we are comparing sine 1 degree and sine 1. When you write 1, the meaning is it is a radian. Always say when I write sine x, the x is in the radian. X is in the radian. So sine 1 degree and 1 radian, which will be more? That is the question. Which will be more? To know that one, what do you do? You have to convert radian, either degree to radian or radian to degree. So this one radian I take. So we know that pi radian equal to 180 degree. So 1 radian will be equal to 180 divided by pi degree. Pi value is 3.14. So 180 divided by 3.14 means approximately 60 degree or 50, above 50. Okay, 60 degree I take. That means this is sine 1 degree, this is sine 60 degree around. Which will be more? Which is greater? Which is greater? Which is greater? Tell me which is greater. Sine 1 degree or sine 60 degree? Alan Baiju. Alan Baiju.
So sine 60.
Sine 60 degree will be more. Can you give me the reason for this? Why sine 60 degree will be more than sine 1 degree? Question is clear. Why sine 60 is more than sine 1 degree? What is the reason? What is the reason? Siddiq, can you tell me? Siddiq,
Sir, sir, because in the graph of the sine one, it started from 0 and sine 60 would be somewhere between 0 and 1. Sine 60 will be greater.
Okay, fine. That means you remember two important point we discussed on day before yesterday, I think. Remember the difference between sine and cos. I told you this is very important. When you sine 0 will be 0 and sine 90 will be 1. In first quadrant, sine increases from 0 to 1. In first quadrant, that means as we go from 0 to 90 degrees, sine value increases. That means sine 60 degree will be more than sine 0. Sine 60 degree will be more than sine 30. Sine 60 degree will be more than sine 45. Because as theta increases from 0 to 90 degree, sine value increases. Sine increases from 0 to 1. Similarly, cos value decreases from 1 to 0. Cos value decreases. And when 45, both will be same. Cos 45 and sin 45 will be same. Therefore, which is answer? This is sin 1 degree less than sin 60 degree. Therefore, answer is B. B is the answer for the question. Is it clear, students?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Yeah, please write these points. What all points I am telling, please write it in your notebook, or otherwise you will forget. In first quadrant, sin theta increases from 0 to 1, but cos theta decreases from 1 to 0. Sin theta and cos theta will be same when theta equal to 45 degree. Okay, now we move to the next one. Next question. Six square theta equal to 4xy by x plus y the whole square. X is a real number. This is true when x plus y not equal to 0, x is equal to y, x not equal to 0, x is equal to y, x not equal to 0, and x not equal to y. Six square theta will be equal to 4xy by x plus y the whole square. Any idea?